Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change search engine in Firefox. But first, please hit the notification bell and subscribe to this channel. It really helps. Thank you. If you've done that already, thank you. And if you haven't, thanks in advance. Please do that. It really helps us. Now let's get right to it. If you want to change search engine in Firefox, this is how you do it. First of all, open up your Firefox app, and then as you can see, my Firefox looks really nice. In case you want to learn how to add wallpaper to it, in case you want to learn how to do that, check out our video on how to add wallpaper to Firefox. Now let's move on. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, and then you click on settings icon at the bottom, and then you scroll down, you see search. The first option is search under general. Tap on it, and then you tap on default search engine, and you can see we have 4. You can also add more search engine by tapping on this. We have Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Quant. So let's say I want to use DuckDuckGo. I tap on this, and that's it. Now my search engine has been changed from Google to DuckDuckGo. You can see it here, and that way to change your search engine is up here. Tap on it like this, and you can choose the one you want to use temporarily. We have Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Want, Wikipedia, and eBay. This is for temporary search engine change. But for permanent one, you follow the steps I said. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, and tap on search engine, the first one, default search engine, and choose the one you want. Let's say I want to go back to Google. It's as simple as that. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye for now.